to the example of the structural isomerism. So when we talk about the structure isomers, so structure isomer, let's go through the example of this is pentane C₅H₁. So you know the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So this is the general formula of alkanes. Let's make the structure. There are 5 carbons. So what the very first structure is, just make the 5 carbons in a chain like this, while make a 4 chain, like this is a 4 carbon chain, and one is the substitute. Now keep in mind, whenever we are placing the substitute should be on the nearest one. Okay, I'm just giving you an example that how the structure can be different or how it can be same. Now look over here. If we draw substitution over here, it would still be a long chain. It won't be a substitute anymore. It would still be a long chain. So you have to draw carbon over here, not here. Okay, so here the carbon should be removed. Sorry. Now if we number it, this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3, and this is carbon number 4. Even if you are positioning it or naming it from the other side, it would be carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, and carbon number 4. So either you are making on this one carbon or this one, the middle one carbons, the position would be same. It would be 2. The substitute would be in the second position. So whether you're making on this position, the isomer would be same. It won't be different, because we have to choose the substitute from the very nearest position from where the chain is starting. Now the third one can be like this. You can make a chain of 3 and then substitute it like this. Again, there are 5 carbons, but the whole structure is different. So look at carbon number 2. We have 2 methyl group, or you can say it would be 2 methyl. Let's just make the structure. This would be H, H, and H. The hydrogens, these are all single bonded. All carbons are single bonded, all hydrogens are single bonded. Just check the number of carbons. There are 12 carbons, there are 5 carbons, and there are 12 oxygen, and this is simple. N, you can say N pentane, or it's a simple chain. Okay, now while naming the next one, let's see, it's on carbon number 2. So it's a methyl group, CH3. So we say 2 methyl, and the longer chain would be named as 4 carbon one, which is butane. So it will become 2 methyl butane. So here would be, let's make hydrogen, sorry. Here would be hydrogen, a hydrogen 1, a hydrogen, a hydrogen, a hydrogen, and a hydrogen. So there are 12 hydrogen and 5 carbon. So all the methyls group would be at the side. I'm not making a detailed structure. So when we name it, so there are 2 methyl group as a substitute, so we name it as dimethyl, and the longer chain is propane. So I hope you get it easily. Try practicing it, because without practice you cannot do anything. So practice it if you want to ace it. Thank you everyone.